Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gustong magpa-tarot reading, Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko siya. Open siya sa personal reading. Okay? Please do follow me on Facebook then, guys. Madam P. Hashtag Madam P. Ayan, pwede mo yung i-search. TikTok at Unicorn Princess Tarot. TikTok shop namin, Unipre. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Libra. Ida, we're the lovers. Ito ko muna ilagay. Pagpasensya mo na kung magalaw ha pagka ano. Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Okay, yung main energy mo, you could be in a relationship. Kaya lang with the Two of Pentacles, pwedeng may other choices ka pa or meron ka pang ibang nasa isip ngayon. And with the Seven of Swords, I feel like may tao kang iniiwasan or yun na, might be the other choice na nasa isip mo ngayon. Might be kaya mo ginagawa ito yung pag-iwas nito because currently with the lovers, ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon pa, so that's your only choice, umiwas. And ginagamit mo lang yung utak mo ngayon with the King of Swords and the Emperor at the bottom of the deck. So, wala kang choice. Because you are currently with the Two of Cups in a relationship. So, parang hindi mo pwedeng i-ignore na ito yung fact. Ito yung totoo sa kung ano yung status mo ngayon, yung estado mo. So, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta wala kang choice. Meron ka lang other person na nasa isip pero wala kang choice kundi bitawan or alisan or iwasan itong taong to. Sino yung person na kakonect mo? Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Six of Wands. Yung card na lumabas is the Eight of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Page of Swords. Could be someone who is younger than you. Kung hindi younger than you, pwedeng yung person na kakonect mo, mas bata din sa person na kakonect mo. Pwede ganyan. May young energy tayo na nakukuha dun. The Empress could be someone na who really likes you a lot. Attracted siya sa'yo and pwedeng ganun ka rin sa kanya. And with the Eight of Pentacles, I feel like this person is hindi lang siya ngayon naghintay ng chance sa'yo. Like, maybe in the past, naghintay siya ng chance para magkaroon ng connection sa inyo. Like, parang siyang nakapila kasi. And Six of Wands, this person wants to win your heart, to win you. No, of course, parang, kung for this person, it's like a competition eh. No? Parang competition ang tingin niya sa connection na ito. So, ano yung mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Wait lang guys, nalaglag. You do have the Two of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Kuha na lang rin ako ng isa pang card. The Hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Swords. So, I feel like yung emotion mo for this person, dalawang isip ka talaga. Two of Swords and Two of Pentacles is like, alin ba dito? Wishy-washy energy. And the Four of Cups, hindi mo ka rin kasi alam kasi hindi mo sure pwedeng, you know, ah, hindi mo alam kung sino ba or ano ba dapat yung piliin mo. Yung iba pwede nakakaramdam ka na something with this person, like a spiritual connection. Pero, parang paano naman isa sa katuparan yun, di ba? Parang ang hirap. And the Knight of Cups, I see love mula dito sa person na to with the Hierophant energy. Spiritually, pwedeng may connection talaga kayo nitong person na to. Nakakita tayo ng karmic cycle dito sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like yung person na to, gusto niya magbigay ng offer, pero I feel like may mga nalulungkot sa paligid ninyong dalawa. Like, I cannot say kung sa side mo or sa side niya. Just in case na maibigay totally itong offer na to, there's someone here na parang may jealous energy. And it could be sa side mo or sa side niya. No? Pwedeng ganun. Or both. May jealous energy tayong nakukuha dito. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future, you do have here the Nine of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Fool, and the Eight of Cups. Clarify the Nine of Swords. The Five of Swords and the Six of Swords. Okay. Nakakita tayo ng new beginning para sa'yo. And I feel like with the Nine of Swords, it's going to be a problem. Why? Kasi the Fool, nakita tayo ng in the near future, may magte-take na, I feel like this person is going to take the risk. Magte-take siya na risk. Pero problemado or mahirap ito para sa part ko sa side mo kasi with the Five of Swords, you have to leave or cut off someone or something. No? If you're in a relationship, parang mahirap para sa yung putulin ang relationship na to or i-cut off ito. So, of course, pag biglang dumating sa buhay mo, paano mo i-accept yun while you're still in a relationship na hindi mo alam kung paano tatapusin yung relasyon na to. So, parang there's a choice na kailangan mong gawin because someone is going to take the risk here. Magiging malakas ang loob niya na gawin ito. And because this person is thinking about the future and I feel like sa future nakikita ka niya doon. Magte-take siya ng risk para sa'yo pero ang tanong is, willing ka bang mag-take rin ng risk para sa kanya? Well, of course, medyo mahirap din sa side mo dahil may mga taong kailangan kang i-let go or may mga taong kang kailangan bigyan ng explanation, kausapin. You don't know what to do. It's like a problem for you. No? And you do have here the Six of Swords. I feel like you need to think about kung sino yung, pagdating sa choices, sino yung tingin mo mas magbibigay ng growth para sa'yo. No? And Six of Cups, yeah, you need to talk to people na kailangan mo kausapin para dito. So, a lot of conversation, communication na medyo mahirap para sa side mo. No, especially you're a Libra, you are someone na ayaw mo as much as possible na makasakit. Ikaw na lang masaktan, o hindi, wag lang ikaw yung makasakit, parang ganon. And you're a people pleaser, so ayaw mo rin talaga yon. You try to, parang pumalagit na or maging peace maker ng lahat. So, you don't want this Ayaw mo ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Ayaw mo ng gulo. Pero hindi mo rin alam kung saan ka dapat pumunta or ang dapat gawin mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.